where do skirting boards come from historically? Well, originally they were introduced when walls were all wet plastered, and you can see here this is going to need a bit of wet plaster for when this reno job continues. But it's very difficult to get a clean stop of the plaster at the junction with the floor. So you get horizontal surface, vertical surface, need a clean edge, hence skirting board. One of the other benefits of having skirting boards is that they cover the gap, you can see the pencil fits down in there, between the floating floor and the wall, because floating floors will expand and contract with changing weather conditions. The other major benefit of skirting boards is protecting your walls, whether it's from the vacuum cleaner, the kids, or, the case here, the leg of this piece of furniture being kept off the wall. So there's no marks on it, no marks on the paint, on the plaster, or God forbid, the wallpaper.